Hello students. So in this video we are going to discuss about the typical question that is given in one of the examples under mean. So the question is like this. The distribution below shows the number of wickets taken by bowlers in one-day cricket matches. Find the mean of wickets by choosing a suitable method. What does the mean signify? So this is the question. So class interval is given and frequency also is given as number of bowlers. So now we will see class interval is given as number of wickets and frequency is given as number of bowlers. Now we'll see how to solve this one. So this is the tabular form of the data given in the question, and why I said this question is typical means, see here the class interval. The first class we have 20 to 60, and in the second we have 60 to 100, in the third we have 100 to 150. So here itself in the three classes we can find the difference in class intervals. So if we can take the difference for these first two lower boundaries, it is 40, and the next two class intervals it is 40, and for the next two it is 50, and for the next two it is 100. So there is difference in size of the class. As we have studied in our earlier problems, there is no such difference. So the difference is uniform throughout the classes, but here it is little different. So when the class intervals are different and the size of the classes is different, how to solve this problem, that we are going to see now. So here we have to first find out di value. To find di value we have to assume one of the class marks as assumed mean value. So here I am considering 125 as our A. So we need to subtract 125 from all the remaining xi's. So if I do like that, here first comes minus 85. So here comes minus 45. This becomes 0. This is 75. This is 75. And the final one is 275. So after getting all these values, since the class intervals are different here, if they are uniform, to find ui you would have divided these di values with the size of the class. But since the size is different here, what we do is we'll choose a number such that it is a multiple of all these di values. So by seeing them we can easily say that all these numbers are ending in the units place with 5. So simply we can choose 5 as its multiple. So I'm going to cancel 5 in all these numbers. Then I'm going to get here as minus 17, minus 9, there it is 0, 10 times, 35 times, 55 times, right? So the final step, we have to take the product of fi and the respective ui. So 7/17, we have a negative symbol here, will be 19 minus 45 0. 12 into 15 will get 180. 2 into 35 gets 70. 3 into 35 get 60. To take the sum of these negative numbers, we'll get 60. Take the positive value, get 416. By subtracting these two values, get my fi ui as 200. What we did here, we took h, common multiple of s, as 5. So after this, we are going to substitute these values. Basic formula is x bar equals my fi ui divided by my fi times h. Here we have the values of 25 plus c is 1, one is 5. 5 cancels here 9 times. The result will be like this: 25 plus divided by 9. Divide 2 1 2 times 21, 1 times it is remaining. Take the help of a decimal. That is 0 here. It goes 8 times 72. Process will continue. We'll restrict it to 2 places. Is equal to 25 plus 27.88. This value is approximate. Add this one, we'll get 152.8, then approximate. So this is our final value. And the question they asked us is, so at an average, the 45 bowlers took 152 hits. This is the final answer, and this is how we find mean when the class intervals are unequal or size of the classes are unequal. So I hope you understand this one. Thanks for watching.